Okay, this video is going to be part 3 of the crypto wallets. This one's going to show you the Pulse wallet. So you go to your app store. This is what it should look like. Open. Once again, they're trying to get you to set up with Apple, X, or Google. They will have your phrase words. You don't want them to do that. So that's why I had you set it up with MetaMask first without connecting to them. So let's go to import your 12 phrase words that you already have. And again, make sure your device was restored to new, or you're doing these wallets in order. Try to keep them in order. Space. And now if you got it all right, you should see in here that this has created your, not created, imported your phrase words. And now you can see, create a pin, all your funds from your original wallet. You can use Face ID or not. I'm just skipping so you can see that you would see your dollar amount in your crypto. And again, later I'll show you a video how to use this wallet. Until next time.